Our Skin Gym Swipey Makeup Remover Towel puts any makeup remover and cleanser to shame. This is the cleanest way to remove your makeup and cleanse your skin without using harsh chemicals and sudsy products that dry out the skin. All you do is dampen the remover towel with warm or cool water and gently sweep it along your face and your entire body. You'll actually notice that any dirt, debris, makeup, all of that is actually erased on contact, and it is super simple, so you don't have to tug on your skin. When you're completely finished, just throw this in the washing machine and you can reuse this next time you need to cleanse your skin. So now I've removed makeup on half of my face just to show you how quick and simple it can be to cleanse the skin without using a cleanser.